In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create gift cards inside of Shopify. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Shopify like you usually would, then go into the admin page. Then from here, you need to go over to products here on the left hand corner and go down to gift cards down here. Then you'll have two options. You can either create a gift card or you can add a gift card to a specific product. But for this tutorial, I'm just gonna click create gift card. Then from here, this page should be popping up. And here you can add the gift card details, where you can select the gift card code, where it will automatically give you a gift card code, but you can click in your own if you want to do that. Then from here you can also add the initial value, and this is how much the gift card will be worth. Then from here you can add the expiration date, where you can add either no expiration date or you can set an expiration date if you want to do that. Then from here you can also up here search for a specific customer, where you can add that this gift card should only work for this specific customer. In this example, Tobias. Then you need to click save, and that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!